Stop creating boring chatbots that no one wants to interact with. It's time to create your interactive human agents and crush your competition with Lifelike interactive agents. Meet Humanizzer. It's all about creating lifelike AI agents that can chat, listen, and interact face-to-face using your own voice. It's just like having a conversation with you. Picture this: an AI agent that chats, listens, and interacts just like you. No coding skills needed, no fuss. In just a minute, you can whip up a multilingual AI buddy with cool features like voice cloning and easy integrations. It's perfect for snagging leads without breaking a sweat and taking your customer interactions to the next level. Packed with awesome features like voice cloning, multilingual video and audio chats, ready-to-use agent templates, lead capturing, and easy integrations, it's your chance to offer AI-powered solutions and make over $1,000 per client. Check out the awesome features of Humanizzer. You can instantly clone yourself or anyone into a super realistic human agent. Effortlessly create video, audio, and chat agents that add a personal touch with voice cloning and accent customization. With over 60 pre-designed agents ready for any niche, you're all set. Train your agents using URLs, PDFs, or videos to give them expert-like knowledge. Embed these interactive agents on websites and let them automatically detect users' locations to respond in their native language. Design personalized greetings with custom welcome and thank you messages. Customize everything about your agents, their appearance, tone, behavior, you name it. Easily gather customer reviews for insights and use real-time analytics to boost engagement and conversions. Collect unlimited leads with advanced forms, feedback surveys, and pop-ups. Create autonomous agents that work 24/7 without breaking a sweat. Deliver personalized AI experiences to clients in just one click. These multilingual agents ensure global reach while keeping every interaction private and secure. Set goals for your agents or create custom objectives. No hosting hassles thanks to lightning-fast servers that work seamlessly across devices without extra setup needed. And here's the best part: you'll get an unrestricted lifetime account with just one payment, no monthly fees ever. Plus, grab the free commercial license so you can start creating and selling these amazing agents right away. A perfect way to kickstart a six-figure business helping creators, marketers, and businesses across countless niches and languages. Create your own lifelike human agents with Humanizzer, all under your brand. Here's how it works. 1. Choose your agent. Start by selecting from over 60 professionally designed agents or create one from scratch to perfectly match your audience or business needs. 2. Personalize it. Fine-tune your agent with voice cloning, set specific goals, and add unique prompts. Give it a personalized tone and style for those engaging, human-like chats. 3. Go live and earn. Launch your customized agent on any platform or website to draw in clients and boost your business using this fully white-label solution. Don't miss out on the next big thing in customer engagement. Get started on creating your own lifelike AI agent today. Just click the link below to sign up and take your business to the next level.